Hey, what's going on, guys? Brother Mark here. How's everybody doing? Listen, I just want to show you my way of preparing a Thanksgiving turkey for Thanksgiving. There's a step I'm missing this year that I normally do is brining the turkey. Because all you're doing when you brine a turkey is submerging it in water with your favorite seasonings. Just to get the extra, you know, the seasonings soaked into the turkey. But I didn't do that this year because I'm still going to season the turkey regardless. But the most important part is injecting the Creole butter that's going into this turkey to give that internal flavor once it's cooking on the grill. So first thing I'm going to do is kind of wipe it down with a paper towel. It's a little wet because I just rinsed it. I got all the crap out of there, the gizzards and the neck and the bag. Got all that out of there. I'm just going to kind of wipe it down. This really isn't rocket science, but everybody has different ways of preparing a turkey. People like to cook it in the oven. People like to deep fry it. I'm gonna smoke it like I've been doing for the last 3 years. All right, I got some accent. I guess this is some sort of seasoning. I'm gonna put this mesquite rub on it, some Creole seasoning, and some 6 peppered seasoning blends. All right. Guess I'll start with the Creole seasoning. Just kind of sprinkle it. Sometimes this stuff doesn't want to stay on. Alright. Then I'm going to put some of this accent flavor on here just to give it some. Because when you cook it on the smoker, a lot of it's going to burn off anyway. And some 6 pepper. And obviously I'm going to stuff the cavity with a few fruits and vegetables, kind of keep it full. And then it's going on the smoker. I'll do a separate one for that one outside. I don't want to spend too much time on here this morning. I need to get this ball rolling. And here for the injections. Stick it in here, pull it out. Stick it where in the breast. Maybe do it a few times in each part. And down here on this part right here. You really don't have to put none in the legs and the thighs because of dark meat. But I'll put a shot or two in there anyway. Give it a little plump. Some more down through here. Yeah. I'm gonna finish it off with the rub here in a minute. I don't think you need a whole lot down through here. Yep, that's pretty much I think all I need. Missed a spot down on this side. Make sure you want to get all surface areas you can. And for the rub, this is gonna turn out beautiful. Come on, get this rub going. I think I even want to shake now. It's been sitting too long. If you can, kind of lift the turkey up on the side a little bit. I might do a little bit on the bottom. Don't need a whole lot on the bottom. Do the same thing on the other side. And I think that's all I'll be doing with the seasoning part. Hit it with the Creole seasoning. A little bit of oil. I think you need do a whole lot of this. Dry my hands off. And yeah, that's the prep part of the turkey that I'm doing this year. I mean, you can do it your own way. Put whatever favorite seasonings you want to, but this is usually the seasonings I picked out because I just like the stuff. And I think the important part is when you're smoking the turkey or anything is at least try to put the injection in there. Yeah, so it doesn't dry the turkey out as quick. It gives it that juice. The juices will flow through the turkey and it'll spew out while it's cooking. And this stuff will last throughout the whole entire cook. So after this, we'll turn it on the grill and smoke it. It's about I guess a 15, 16 pound bird. It'll be on there for about 3.5 hours. 4 tops at about 225, 235 temperature range because you want it done at a decent rate. God bless you. I love you guys. Y'all have a wonderful day.